Boyd, oh Boyd, the tangled Joe Webb you weave. This is the case of Mr. Joe Webb, and he was a no-show prior to this appearance, and now he is asking for the sky and everything below it. If you know Judge Boyd, this will not end well for him. And you know in the movies when someone is actually shuffled off to jail and it's like talking to his lawyer for the last second? I have never seen that in all my court watching days. However, today just may be the day we see a shuffle. Check out the latest Judge Boyd video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
Johnny Joe Webb, come forward. Come forward.
Little people are in my way.
Okay. And is he pleading on both of these cases?
We've already pled, Your Honor. This is the sentencing.
Ah, okay, thank you.
You need a PSI?
No, I have the PSI.
Okay. Yes.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9819 and 2023 CR 0549, State of Texas versus Johnny Joe Webb. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Lufens for the state.
Matt Stolhansky for Mr. Webb.
All right, Mr. Webb, you entered a plea in the cause number ending in 19 to count one of guilty, and you entered a plea in the cause number ending in 49 of guilty. And each cause number, the court found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court found you guilty. And the cause number ending in 49, the state is silent on your application. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 6 years. And in cause number ending in 19, the state is silent on your application, and they're asking that your punishment be at 6 years. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections to the PSI report?
No, ma'am.
All right. Any witnesses' defense?
No, ma'am.
All right, then the court will hear argument.
Your Honor, if you look at the PSI, you can see he has quite an extensive criminal history, but he's never got any drug treatment, and he's been using since he was a preteen. He was been using alcohol, drugs, things like that. He's been in the precision recovery for quite a while. The PSI suggested that if he gets probation, that DDF would be a good place to put him. He's got some mental issues as well. We're asking that you give him probation, and like we've sent him to jail several times. That hadn't helped. We need drug help.
All right.
Oh, and he apologized for not being here yesterday. But
Okay.
he's here today as promised.
All right. One moment. All right. Mr. Webb,
Yes, ma'am.
I am reviewing the PSI report, and there's a lot of criminal history here.
Mhm.
But you have a theft, possession cases, and then this case is fraudulent possession of identifying information 50 or more.
Yes, ma'am.
And then as a part of this plea bargain agreement, the state took several cause numbers into consideration.
Yes, ma'am.
I just don't think you're a good candidate for probation. I will ask for the therapeutic community for you, but I'm not going to grant you probation. And cause number 2023 CR 9819, the court has previously stated is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money will run concurrent. take in consideration NIMAG number 734693, 2023 CR 9820, 2023 CR 0220. And with regards to restitution, probation, were there any complainants that reached out with the restitution amount? I'm looking, I don't see it. It says to be determined. For each complainant, I have to be determined.
Yes, but I don't see, I only have one return letter and I don't have any emails stated.
All right, so just one moment. There'll be restitution, if any, to the following: Mark, Marque Trevino, Michael Barbeneaux, Barbeneaux, Michael Ford, Kalin, Kalin Benjamin, Juan Morones, Morones, Jorge Jimenez, Jason Garcia, Arturo Gonzalez Jr., James Jemison, Jamison, Ariel, Arielle Johnson, Michael Turner, Miguel Flores, Maria Martinez, Robert Goodbue, Goodbue, April Lopez, Montegudo, Monteagudo, Aguila, Aguila, Lana Talley, Talley, Jessica D'Souza, Desouza, Desiree Morgan, Juan Hernandez Jr., Luciano Mendex, that's Mendex, Anthony Jackson, Natalie Fuentes, Dermon, Dermon Smith. Noreen Lambert, Noreen Lambert. Peter Bean, Bean. Edna Lozano. Trey King. Julio Bocanegra, Bocanegra. And this is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 0549, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, and I'll recommend the therapeutic community. And cause number 2023 CR 0549. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2023 CR 9819. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration night mag number 734693, 2023 CR 9820, 2023 CR 0220, and there's to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. And the court will request the therapeutic community. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Webb had requested that he be allowed to turn himself in at a later date.
All right,
I have to take care of my grandma.
This is a TIC on a misdemeanor case.
okay. All right, that'll be denied.
Sure. You need to speak?
Yes.
I take care of my 87-year-old grandma, and we were thinking that I was going to get probation because of her DDRF, and so I haven't been able to find anybody to take care of her, or help me take care of her. So I just need, like a week to get it situated, and I'll turn myself in. I don't have a problem doing that.
All right, I'm sorry, that'll be denied.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right, are the parties here on Ricardo Queres Ramirez?
We're ready, Your Honor.